Newswatch 12 Breaking News.
We begin tonight with breaking news. The Oregon Health Authority has announced Oregon will lift indoor mask requirements no later than March 31st. Thank you for joining us for Newswatch 12 at 4. I'm Haley Gravitt. Once again, Oregon said they will remove general mask requirements for indoor public places no later than March 31st. This includes mask requirements for schools, according to state health officials. By late March, health scientists predict that about 400 or fewer Oregonians would be hospitalized with COVID-19, the level of hospitalizations the state experienced before the Omicron variant began to spread. However, state officials say Oregon needs to keep mask requirements in place for now as COVID hospitalizations crest and Oregon's healthcare system strained to treat high numbers of severely ill patients.
If we can maintain our vigilance over the next 2 months, we can all look forward to a spring and summer season in Oregon free of daily impacts from the pandemic.
The OHA also says they would consider lifting the indoor mask requirement earlier than March 31st if hospitalizations decline sooner than expected. They're also going to be working with the Department of Education to revise guidance to make sure schools can still operate safely. Now, individuals and communities will need to make masking decisions for themselves, says state epidemiologist Dean Seinlinger, and added that he hoped businesses would continue to support individual Oregonians' choices to wear masks in public settings. Parents, K-12 students might have some questions about the new decisions from the state. We spoke to Medford Schools superintendent to help answer some of those questions.
So where we are today, if what OHSU's projections, if those hold, then we are leaning toward becoming mask optional starting March 31st.
Dr. Champion added that as the date approaches, the district will have conversations with Jackson County Public Health before a final decision is made. Be sure to stay with us on Newswatch 12, 5, and 6 to hear more on the district's plans moving forward.